How to fix Facebook notification not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Facebook notification not working problem. So guys, I'm gonna show you in a easy way. So let's get started. So let's go to your Facebook account. So here is it, my Facebook account. So guys, you can see here three dot dash on the top right of your screen. Just click on the 3 days and then go to settings and privacy here. Go to settings and privacy, and you can see here notification settings. Just click here and then the interface will be like this. So guys, you can see the first option is comments. Just click on comment and you have to allow all this. If your device has not been allowed it, you have to allow all this. Go back and then do the same here. You have to do all the option. You have to allow all the option here. You have to allow all the option. So I have already allowed it. And then you have to go to Google Play Store. Just search for Facebook here, Facebook, and then check whether your Facebook is asking for update or not. If they are asking for update, you have to update it as soon as possible. And then go back, restart your phone, and then reopen your phone. The problem will be solved. So guys, the next step is go to your app manager or install app in your phone settings. I have app management, so I will go here. Now go to Facebook here, search for Facebook. Where is Facebook? Here is it. So click on Facebook and then you can see here force stop. Just click on force stop here and you have to stop the force here. Now you can see here storage uses. Just click to storage uses and you have to clear all the data and caches here. Now go back and you can see here permission. Just click to permission and you have to allow all the permission here. And then go back, restart your phone and reopen your device. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.